So this is a 2022 Massey Ferguson 5S.115. So it's a 4-cylinder, 115 horsepower with a 40k semi-power shift gearbox. Comes with a front weight rack. It's in really good condition. It's on a hydraulically suspended front axle with pivoting front mud guards. The front bodywork and grille are absolutely immaculate. No scuffs or scratches to be seen anywhere. Got halogen front work lights, single beacon. The front tyres are Trelleborg 340/85 R24s, and these are about 90% tread remaining. Absolutely no cuts or scratches anywhere on adjustable pans. It's diesel and AdBlue. Got a little toolbox for the diesel filler. Rear tyres are Trelleborg 420/85 R34s, and these are about 90% in really good condition. Also on adjustable pans, got halogen rear work lights, and then on the left and the right hand side fender you've got external rear linkage control. On the left hand side only you've got spool PTO control. Got Cat 3 rear linkage, 4 spools, a free throw turn, ABS, hydraulic brakes, trailer light socket, a manual top link. Link is in really good condition, barely any signs of rust or scratches, all free and loose. You've got a suspended cab, and there is barely anywhere on the towing hook. Right hand tyre also in really good condition. Cab glass around is immaculate, same as the mirror glass. The shroud covering base, the exhaust stack, is starting to discolour a little bit, and it has gone grey in places, but the actual exhaust, no scratches or dents anywhere to be seen. And this tractor has got loaded bracketry with a quick decoupler attached to it. In the cab of this Massey Ferguson, the trim and plastic is immaculate. Not a scuff or a scratch anywhere. Got a passenger seat, which is immaculate. A Grammer air suspended seat. Headline is in really good condition. Air conditioning, Bluetooth radio, 2 manual spools and then 2 electronic spools on the joystick. And then another joystick which will do the loader if fitted. It's done 899 hours and starts to run as well. So this 5S is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you would like to come have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standon.